Vigo, what are you doing? What are you doing on the couch? Why are you sitting like that? What you doing? You trying to get the coffee? Are you trying to get that coffee? You trying to get coffee? What are you doing? This lighting is terrible. Where I'm at. It's even worse. I should know better. I took that class. Vigo, what you doing? Vigo, what are you doing? Is he stuck? You think he's stuck? Because he can't go forward because of the coffee cup? And he can't go backward? I think he's stuck. What are you doing, Vigo? Are you stuck? I think you're stuck. You don't know how to go backward? You don't know? Come on, you can get down. He's a good boy. I love his little tail. I think he's stuck. He can't go forward, he can't go backward. Look, are you stuck? Watch, Jay. Watch, he's stuck. Vigo, come on. Calm down. And he's stuck. That's exactly what it is. Oh. He's like, I can't, the coffee cup's in the way. He's so